In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up an Epic Games parental control pin quickly and correctly so you can protect your account and manage what can be accessed. This is a simple process, and once it's set up, you'll have a better layer of control over purchases, privacy, and content settings. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, sign in to your Epic Games account using your browser and open your account settings. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. From there, click on Parental Controls. This is the section where Epic Games lets you configure restrictions and security options for the account. After opening Parental Controls, you'll be asked to enter a 6-digit PIN. Go ahead and type in your PIN carefully, making sure it's something you can remember but still hard for others to guess. Once the PIN is entered, confirm it if needed and make sure the settings are saved properly. At this point, your Epic Games parental control PIN has been successfully set up. That means you now have an added layer of protection for managing account access and restrictions. If you ever need to change or reset it later, you can always come back to the same parental controls area in your account settings. And that's it. Your Epic Games parental control pin is now ready to use. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial.